Hey guys, Hashan from Exodius Auto Protection here, and today we have this 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid. It's definitely the highest top tier vehicle from Tesla, and they just discontinued this as well because they are moving towards a different direction. This is one of the last Plaids out there. It's in this beautiful light blue color that Tesla only really offered, I believe, starting this year, which is kind of special. So what we're doing on it is going to be a full Expel Stealth transformation, Stealth PPF. We're going to be adding full Expel XR Plus window tint to this as well, except for the windshield. This is one of the largest windshields on the vehicle, and they wanted to kind of save that to the end, see if the window tint, is to their liking, which I'm sure it will be just because this stuff works so good. And then we're topping off the full vehicle, including the wheel faces and the glass, with a Expel Fusion 8-year coating on it as well. So this thing is going to be protected. It's going to be looking super fresh. It's going to be staying super clean, and it's going to be one of the cleanest Teslas out there. So definitely an interesting project. We've started disassembling the vehicle, so you can see we took off the flare, the cameras. They are starting to come out as well, and we've removed the window trims. We're slowly going to start making our way towards everything else. We try to disassemble as much as necessary, but not more than we need to. So stuff like this window trim is going to come off. Usually we're able to kind of tuck around this one. Same with the taillights, we're usually able to tuck without removing them. But stuff like this badge and this number plate or license plate, they're both going to get removed and reapplied later on. So you can definitely see it has the Plaid badge. This is a real Plaid. This is a pretty interesting color, and what we're also going to be doing on it is we're going to be protecting all the gloss black bits with just regular Expel Ultimate Plus gloss PPF. That way they don't get, swirls and faded and all that stuff that typically happens to gloss black plastic. One thing that the customer did also want to do, it was an idea that we kind of originally proposed to him, and then he found it online and he really liked it. Doing the mirrors in gloss black PPF instead of, just regular stealth. That's going to match all of the trims, and it gives it a much sportier edge to the vehicle. So this one is going to be just gloss black compared to everything else, which is going to be in stealth. So definitely an interesting one. Same with the headlights and taillights. We're going to be putting gloss PPF on those to protect them over time, just so they don't get pitted and yellowed. Follow us throughout this whole entire project. We're going to do probably a 3-part series, one right now, one in the middle, and then one of the finished product. I think it's very exciting. This is definitely one of the best colors I think you can get on any car, especially on a Tesla. I'm excited to see how this comes out. The customer's excited to see how this comes out. Maybe we'll get his reaction when he comes to pick up the vehicle. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so we're back with the second part of the Tesla Model X Full Stealth PPF. As you can see, we've done a lot more today. So basically this whole side of the vehicle is basically completed, and we are kind of wrapping and tucking some of the edges as well. As you guys will see in a little bit, or right now, we'll put the video over this. We just did this corner on the fender. We have a special technique when it comes to doing these corners. It's very similar to doing vinyl wrap corners, but it's a little bit harder. It takes a lot more technique when you do it because PPF is a lot thicker. This stuff is very, very thick, and it does not like to stretch. It does not like to, bend around corners as easily. So you definitely have to know what you're doing. But we are wrapping and tucking all of our edges on this vehicle for the most seamless finished product. And even the corners are included within that. So if you kind of follow me over to the side, you can see these panels are all done. You see our little film overhangs right there that we're going to tuck later on. Window trims are taken off now as well. That way we're able to get really, really good and deep in there. We've also tinted the windows on the vehicle. So that rear windshield and the windows on the other side are all tinted with I'm XR Plus by Expel. And that's going to allow us to have, the best heat rejection, UV rejection. Overall, we're going to do basically a full Expel package on this vehicle with the coatings, with the PPF, with the window tint. Overall, it's just going to be like the most protected vehicle out there. So we'll show you the finished product in a few days when we're basically done with the other side. But you guys can see we're making really nice progress, and we're making it fast as well. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back with the finished product on the Tesla Model X Plaid. So as you can see behind me, it's fully satin now, fully coated and fully tinted as well. We would really love to show this outside, but unfortunately it is snowing today, which is good because it is coated, so it's going to perform the best, but we're not going to be able to see it out in the light or get a photo shoot of it, but that's okay. So key features of this install: we did a full satin Expel Stealth PPF on this, and we wrapped every single edge possible. We wrapped in there, we wrapped in there, we wrapped everywhere that we could possibly wrap. We tried to wrap it. We also did gloss PPF on, the headlight, on this front grille portion, on a lot of the gloss black used pieces, like the door handles are done as well. And one of the nice touches that we did is the gloss black side mirror caps. So these were originally blue, and we wrapped these in gloss black PPF, which looks exactly like paint. That's how optically clear it is. So really, really nice. Coating wise, we coated the full vehicle in Expel's Fusion Premium coating, which is their 8-year coating. We coated the glass, the PPF, and the wheel faces as well. So everything is nice and coated. Honestly, this car ticked off all the boxes. So I think it's time I stop talking and we give you guys kind of a show around of the car. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. It was a really nice project for us. And on to the next one. If you're looking to get anything similar done to your Tesla Model X, Model Y, Model S, whatever Tesla you have, we've worked with it before. We're professionals when it comes to Teslas, and honestly, any vehicle, we have a lot of experience. If you're looking to get anything similar done, please give us a call or fill out the form on our website, and we'll reach out to you. Thank you.